The Mould King 1182 V8 engine kit is a captivating model kit with 2,250 pieces designed to delight engine enthusiasts with its intricate details and functionality. This model offers a fascinating glimpse into the workings of a V8 engine as the central fan spins in sync with the engine to mimic a turbocharging effect, adding a layer of realism. Equipped with an L motor and battery box, this engine model simulates real engine operations, providing an exhilarating experience for mechanical engineering fans. Crafting this V8 engine model is not only a rewarding project for adults, but also results in a striking display piece for any home or office setting. The kit serves as a perfect gift for machinery lovers, offering a hands-on experience that combines learning with the joy of building. Mould King provides excellent customer support, ensuring any missing parts or issues encountered during assembly are swiftly addressed.